Today I'm going to show you how to create an image on Canva using AI. So you go to apps and then you click on text to image and you use a new design and you do custom design from 2500 to around 3500 pixels. So you click on OK. And here you will see click on use, and here you can type out which description the the picture does need to have, like the anime picture. So here you can see drawing, and then you type in like anime, like cute anime picture wearing like having lovely eyes, white background, something like this. And then you do like create your picture, and it takes a while just to create it. And now I have cute anime picture having lovely eyes, white background, generate. And here you can see, like, click on it and here's your picture. You can even say like cute anime picture, cute anime character, like with blonde hair and like green eyes, something like this. So we remove this on a white background, that's very important. Then we delete this one, and now it's creating my cute anime character with blonde hair and green eyes. So here you can see it works out pretty well, and you can create like your anime drawings with this. So it's lovely, and that's how it works. So thank you for watching.